Hi friends, in this tutorial I will teach you how you can repair an error when you get an automatic repair loop showing an error message automatic repair couldn't repair your PC. Before proceeding, I request you to please click on the subscribe button to continue watching more such tech and how-to videos. Now let's go ahead and proceed with the resolution. Once you get this error screen, click on the advanced option to open the advanced screen. Once the advanced screen opens, click on the command prompt. Here we are going to repair your boot configuration data which results in such error. Type here one by one bootrec / fix mbr. One more thing friends, whatever command I'll use over here I'll provide you in the description below so that you can easily copy them and paste it over here. Once you enter this command, hit the enter button. Now second command is bootrec / fix boot. If you get any error while entering the command, there is no need to worry because that means that particular boot has already been repaired in your PC. Now hit the enter button. Now third command is bootrec / rebuild bcd and hit the enter button. Now you can see over here it is scanning all disk for Windows installation and it will take some time for the repair to take. So just be patient and let the repair works in the background. Once the repair is completed, it is showing that total identified Windows installation is 1 and add installation to boot list yes, no or all. So type here A to add installation to the all Windows file and hit the enter button. The operation is successfully completed. Now type here the exit button and turn off and restart your computer and check whether the problem is resolved or not. Once you restart your computer, your problem must be resolved till now. If you still face the issue, we are going to proceed with third step. In third step, again click on the advanced option and click on the command prompt. Here you need to type sfc you need to here type a command chkdsk space your Windows drive, like my Windows drive is C, so type C space / F is for fix and / R is for repair and hit the enter button. This one is the third step. This process will take around 15 to 20 minutes depending upon the type of your PC. One of these three steps will resolve your problem. If still the problem is not resolved, I request you to click in the command option to provide the error code or whatever the reason you got, and I'll provide you another resolution to resolve this problem. So that's it about it friends. If you like my tutorial, I request you to please click on the subscribe button to continue watching more such tech and how-to videos. Thank you friends. Thank you for watching.